Hey, this is Sasha, the options coach. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a question specifically from Facebook. So a lot of people are wondering, well, what are the best stocks to buy now? Which ones should I get? So I get this question quite often. These are just some of the things that I've seen as I've joined other Facebook groups. And we also have our own Facebook group as well that's kind of growing and building in community. So feel free to join there as I start posting more and more content in that area as well. So in either case, as we go in and look at this question, it's one that I find is a little too generic, and you have to be mindful when you ask a question like this. There's always deeper layers. There's not enough substance to really answer the question because you need more details to really understand it. So if I look at like the best stocks to invest right now, your best is not going to be my best or my favorite. And asking for the best stock is like asking for the best car. Some people will say, hey, the best car is a hybrid vehicle because, well, you get a lot of good mileage, you could say, for the charge or for the energy. Another person might say the best car is a truck because, well, they have to carry water heaters and a lot of lumber to their repair site. So best for you is going to be different than best for me. And you have to always think about it that way. You got to look at your portfolio and how are you going to preserve your money? So what is your risk level? What is your risk tolerance? All of these will matter when it comes to thinking about the best, and as well as how long will that money be there. Best for somebody that likes to day trade or do zero DTE options or even iron condors is going to be different than somebody that holds things for multiple weeks and months on end. So you have to really recognize that when you ask a question like this, that what are the best stocks to invest in, there's just really not enough substance to go there. You have to really fine tune what is it that you're looking for before you get to the best, because best in terms of, hey, volatility, best in terms of liquidity, best in terms of, maybe return on investment. But if you're doing, let's say, iron condors or vertical spreads, return on investments in the shortest amount of time, well, any stock could do that. In fact, if you take a look at some vehicles, let's say, and we look at today in terms of a percentage change, just on this short little list, it would have been CMG and even ironically Groupon or BYND, because percentage wise they went up, but these stocks are cheap at $6.32. So from a percentage basis, you could do CMG, but the stock is $3,000. So it will split here soon. But the point being is best is going to be different for everybody. And you have to kind of recognize that in those cases. So understand that when you're trying to find the best, figure out your initial criteria first, just like when you're looking for a vehicle. Are you looking for an 8-person seater, or are you looking for something that saves a lot in gas or fuel consumption? That is going to be different. So think about those questions first, and then get into understanding and fine-tuning things of choosing the best or appropriate stock for your personal needs. Anyways, hope that helps. If you want to learn a little bit more or grab some freebies, check out some of the links in the description, and you can grab some of the workbooks and worksheets that we have available. Anyways, thanks again. I'll see you next time.